Hi everybody, it's Kerry here from CJT and I'm really super excited to show you how to put a widget on your website today. Today we are using a widget called LiveChat, and of course it's when customers or potential customers are on your website and they see a little widget there, they can message you straight away, you'll get notified and you can message them straight back. So it's a great way of securing a sale or a customer or whatever it is that you're doing on your website. So we're going to use LiveChat. We're going to go to App. We're going to go to Settings. Scroll down here to install LiveChat code manually. We're going to copy the code, go back to our website backend, down here to CJT. We're going to create a new code block. I'm going to call this LiveChat. And paste in your code there. Okay, I'm going to save that as is. Now, you've got the choice of putting this little widget on whatever page or post or wherever you want it to be on your website, and it's so easy to do that with CJT. So let me just give you a bit of a taster. We're going to put it on our home page, and for now that is all I'm going to do. I'm going to save the changes and we'll come back down here. This is a link straight to the home page.
New visitor.
And there we go. This is our little widget. Okay, so as I'm scrolling and I'm on the page, it's going to open up even more and give me a wave. Look at that. How fantastic. Okay, now let me show you what else CJT can do with this. So, inverter. This is an awesome feature here. Let me just unclick the home page. Let's click the inverter. I want this on all pages of my website except the About Us page. Okay, let's save that and we will go to the home page.
New visitor.
There we go. So your widget is still there, and we'll go to the portfolio page and it should be there.
New visitor.
There you go. But remember, I selected the About Us page as a page I did not want the widget to come up on. Okay, so let's click the About Us. No widget. How fantastic is that? So that's going to save you so much time when you're going about putting widgets on your website. Have a great day, guys. See you later.